Final running out of the house. It's day one of the trip. Starts now. Start driving, still in Texas. Actually still home. And the cat is meowing like a lot already, like meow. Just wait, you're gonna hear. And I'm not sure. I have no idea, dude. Driving for 1 hour. I think I'm in Denton now. The cat is having a hard time. This trip will be inferno. It'll be terrible. The dog is fine, just chilling out. Right, Mishi? Thank you. And the cat is under the seat, jumping up and down, meowing. I have hair all over my car. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. So I just hope he doesn't screw my seats, because I'm gonna start crying already. Anyway, let's hope for the best and hope the cat just pass out. I should have given him his medicine last night, but I didn't have it. The vet said, hey, you gotta give him a day before. And alright, I'm in Oklahoma right now. Cat is quiet. I don't know if you can see him. Nope, you can't. Dog is alright. And look at the road. This is so good. Bunch of trucks though. But they are nice here. So not worried about it. Look at that. It's a nice landscape, nice scenery. First stop, we are in Oklahoma somewhere. I think it's almost the border. Cat's chilling out there. Car is cat proof, or almost. Cat's trying to get under here, but it's kind of hard. And the dog is chilling out there. Right, Mishi? Right, Mishi? Just went out for a quick walk. I thought she needed to pee because I need it. So, anyway, let's keep going. Oh, look at those. I don't know how that thing is called. There's one island in Brazil. It's called Fernando de Noronha that has those things. I'm leaving Oklahoma right now, same day, first day. Probably I drove 260 miles already. Dog out here. I don't know if you can see her, but it's very comfortable. The cat, not sure if you'll be able to see the cat because he's kind of gray and he is down there. So that was the place he was more comfortable with. Oh, big face. Look at the windmill. Windmills. I think those things, yeah, look at those. Those are working. The other ones back there, they were just hanging. Yeah, look at how many. Sucking the wind. Wow. That's pretty impressive how big they are. Wow, look at that. bunch of them. Looks like alien shit. Oh, and the oil. It's extracting oil here. Oh no, look at that. Yeah, one more. It's a non-stop job. This is a mix between taking oil and making energy, like the windmills are everywhere. Look at that. Look at how many. And the oil stuff also. I don't know how this is called. It's like a little kid's horse that keeps going up and down, up and down. Yeah, hour 13 minutes to get there. I'm in Kansas right now. The good thing is the speed here is 75, so we can go like 84 and a half. And so it's pretty fun. Can go a little faster, and those electricity mills are there still, energy generators. Every video I see this, I'm gonna give a different name because I don't actually know how it's called. And this is a pretty boring highway because it's always straight. It's just going straight for 300 miles. Wow, look at that big old factory. I think it's a factory, I don't know. Let's see. Wow. Victor University. Kid is doing his business on my invention. It's a litter box made out of the Amazon box. Oh shit. Yeah. Put this one here. I hope he did. Yeah, yes. Awesome. That's the Missy's happy. I'm happy, you're all happy. It's a pretty good Motel 6. It's a Park City is the name of the city. Pretty good. Alright. Let's go to bed soon and probably make this video and then prepare for day number 2. Take a little shower, eat some stuff, and done. Peace.